Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Kandila, 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 meaning candle. Posporo, 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 meaning matchsticks. Palito, 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 meaning a matchstick. Bulak, 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 meaning cotton. Bulaklak, 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 meaning flower. Bulok, 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 meaning rotten. Pader, 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 meaning wall. Dingding, ding, dingding, meaning wall. Tissue, tissue, meaning tissue. Plastic, 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 meaning plastic. Malambot, 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 meaning soft. Marami, 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 meaning a lot or many. Bakal, 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 meaning steel, as in metal. Ano-ano, ano-ano, this is the plural form of what? Sino-sino, sino-sino, meaning who. And this is the plural form of who. Ejercicio, 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 meaning exercise. Buti, 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 meaning good. Kawali, 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 meaning frying pan. Permanente, 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 meaning permanent. Ngipin, 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 meaning tooth. Mga ngipin, ngipin, mga ngipin, meaning teeth. Taas, 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 meaning high or upstairs or height. Kasabwat, 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 meaning accomplice. Suntukan, 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 meaning boxing. Kulot, 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 meaning curly.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!